Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you're new, my name is Nikki. Why am I holding this brush now? I don't know. Today's Friday in South Korea. It's not Friday in America yet, but it's Friday in South Korea, which means it is time for Face Charge Friday. If you're looking at my face, you're like, she looks shiny. I took some Eddie Funkhouser glow drops and mixed them with my primer so that it's not as green and it works. And also it's gonna look really cool on my foundation on top. Like, I really love these glow drops though. Anyway, this face chart is real simple, real easy. But I really want to do it because this inner corner is everything. So, it was sent to me. And I was never going to do it at first, only because I'm like, that's like 2 or 3 colors. But, we're going to make it work. So, let's get into this video. To make it a little more, like, not dramatic, but like, you know, if you're new to my channel, I always make these face charts my own. Like, I take the bigger part of the face chart, but then sometimes I do my own little twist to it because sometimes it's, like, they're too simple. Like, if you look at the picture, it's too simple. So, I'm going to be using this on camera for the first time. I've never used it yet. I'm going to use it today. I'm going to take the shade or whatever and cover all this concealer and primer on my eyelids using this Morphe, what brush is this? The Morphe E14 brush. I always use this brush to hide the concealer on my eyes because I love it. Now for the next part, in the picture, if you look at the picture, like here and here's like faint black or a dark color. I'm just going to use black. I'm going to go into the Beauty Killer palette. I think I'm not going to use black. I think I'm going to use this shade Vanity, which is like a gray purple shade. I'm going to use that instead of the black so it's not as harsh, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So yeah, I'm going to be using Vanity and not Black Rainbow like I was going to at first. I'm going to use Vanity instead. Now the start of the show, I put more primer on top of that. I mean, not primer, sorry, concealer, but a white concealer on top of the shadow so it doesn't look as white, but it's definitely a white one. Bought it here in Korea. The star of the show is going to be Cleo, more this yellow shade. I still don't know if I'm saying her middle name right. So I'm going to take that, and as you see in the picture, where this is, that's where the yellow goes. And up in this area, but it's not as bright, which is why I only put the concealer here, because here it's like it's yellow but it fades. Here it's like really bright yellow, so that's why, to make it go poof, just in this area. On my Morphe M156 brush, using this end. So I'm going to go off camera and do foundation and concealing and nose contouring. Then I'll come back to finish here and we'll basically be done. I know it's not in this face chart, but just to add a little oomph, I'm going to take the shade She Got Money very lightly and use that to highlight all of this area on both sides. Now it's time for the part that I'm scared of. This white. I could use a highlighter, but I think we're gonna use this liquid lip first and then put the highlight over it. Maybe, possibly. Let's see how this works out first. This is gonna be a killer. It already feels like there's an eyelash in my eye. There was. Oh, I'm good. Whew, wish me luck. So everything is basically almost done. Last thing we're going to do is the lip, and then we'll be finished. I'm going to be using these three products. We have the Bretman Rock Lippy Pencil, the Bretman Rock Lip Gloss, this is Duke's I See You, and then the Clean Color Mink Madly Matte Lip Gloss. I'm going to use these three products for this lip look. Now, if I look shinier than normal, it's because I just did the setting spray and it's not dry yet. But this is the finished look, and I like it. It was hard to get that yellow and white to not blend together, because that's basically what they did. But I did add some Lucid in the very inner corners to make it a little brighter there. Lucid from the Prism palette. And I'm probably gonna have to do that again because it's blending together to make like a light yellow or a lighter yellow. But I like this look. I like it a lot. I have no complaints. I did struggle with lashes though. I put on 3 different pairs of lashes. This is pair number 4. Three different styles before I chose this one. And none of them looked right. And none of them wanted to stay down. This is the only pair that stayed down, but it has like the thickest band ever. So I can feel it. So I hate it. But it looks good. As long as it looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. She Got Money is a very good brow bone highlight color. Just FYI. Just FYI. My hair is dry. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you all Monday, unless I feel like filming tomorrow. We'll see. Bye.